Hey guys, we received this Batana oil for test and try. So this is a cream or the ointment sort of. So let me just open this box. So this Batana oil is used for hair, like you massaging the hair or for the hair purposes. So you can see this comes with the good box thing and everything is provided, like all the things or details provided on the box. So this is the jar that contains that ointment, and this is a pure Batana oil. So you can see this is a tight ointment, and then you have to just take, it's very oily. So this oil is actually good to go deeply in your hair massage. So you can just do the hair massage and you can see that this is actually going into your hair follicles or things, covering all the hair, and is very smooth textures and feel. So you can see it's fine, well good